Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly shut down your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or an iMac. The steps are super simple, but a lot of people never actually learn how to do it correctly. So, let's get started. First, remember that closing the lid does not shut down your Mac. It only puts it to sleep. If you want to turn it off completely, here's what you need to do. Go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Apple logo. From the drop-down menu, select Shut Down. A confirmation window will appear. Click Shut Down again, and your Mac will power off. The next time you open the lid or press the power button, it will start up fresh. Now, if your Mac becomes unresponsive or frozen, you can also do a forced shutdown. To do this, press and hold the Touch ID or power button for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black. This method should only be used in emergencies since it doesn't save your work. But for everyday use, the proper way is always Apple menu, then Shut Down. And that's it. Now you know how to shut down any Mac the right way. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.